Welcome back to iTech Aspirant. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up Windows Server 2025 on Windows 11 using Hyper-V. Open your browser. Go to the official Microsoft Evaluation Center. Look for Windows Server 2025. Choose the ISO file format from the options provided. Register. After all, click Download now. This might take a while. Since I've already downloaded it, I can't download it again here. Once the download is complete, you can find the ISO file in your Downloads folder. Now, enable Hyper-V. Open the control panel. Click on Programs. Click Turn Windows Feature on or off from Programs and Features. Scroll down and click the plus icon to expand Hyper-V. Once selected, click OK to enable Hyper-V. Restart your system to complete the installation. After that, go to Start and type Hyper-V Manager to open it. In Hyper-V Manager, select New Virtual Machine. Name your VM and choose a location to store it. Then select this folder as the location to store the VM files. Click Next after each step. Select as per requirement, and click Next. Assign memory, e.g., for gigabytes or more depending on your system's resources. Select Default Switch. Assign virtual memory, e.g., 30 GB or more, depending on your requirements. Select Install an operating system from a bootable image file. Select the ISO file and click Open. Click Next to review your settings, then click Finish to create the VM. Double-click the machine and click Start. Press any key quickly. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the operating system setup, just as you would on a physical machine. Select Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation. Read them and accept. Click Install. Installation may take some time. Enter a strong password and make sure to memorize it for future use. Set this and click Connect. Enter your password. Read and click Accept. That's it. Your Windows Server 2025 should now be running on Hyper-V. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more IT tips and guides. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.